Welcome everyone. So today we'll be solving two more problems on percentage. Okay, so now in this video we will see the problems on population. Okay, population problems they are solved based on this percentage. Okay, so now here I'll start. Now I'll read the question. It says that the population of a town increases 5% annually. Okay, annually meaning yearly it increases 5%. Now if its present population is 84,000, what will it be in 2 years time? Okay, so now here what they have told now the present population is what it is. Present population is 84,000. Now after 2 years what it will be, what will be the population if the population is increasing at 5%? Now what will happen in the coming year, in the first year? Okay, so now at present it is this, so 5% of this will get increase next year, so that means this will be equal to 5% of this. Okay, so this is what I was talking in all the videos. Now it will increase by 5% this population, that means we have to find 5% of this, and that 5% of this will get added to the population. Okay, so now when we will solve this, what are we getting? So this and this will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled, and so when you will solve this, I'll write the value what you are getting. So this will be 5 into okay, one more zero is there. Okay, so 5 into 840 plus 84,000. so this will give you, so when you will simplify this, you will get 88,200. now this population is after 1 year. Now we are asked after 2 years time. Okay, now after increasing by 5% of 84,000, it has become 88,200. now we have to take this population to calculate the next years. So in the second year what is going to happen is 5% of this will increase plus 88,200. okay, so to this previous population there is a 5% increase. So first we should find what is that 5% of this, and that we have to add it to the population. So again when we will simplify this, what we will get, this and this will get cancelled. This is equal to 5 into 882 plus 88,200. so when you will simplify this, you will get this as 92,610. that means after 2 years time the total population will be 92,610.